So this, I'm going to call this a nice clean copy. You probably get away with a 9.0 somewhere. These, on the other hand, are tore up. Tore up. Normal wear and tear, that's for sure. We're going to go ahead and bag these two. Right? I don't think we're going to bag that one. Gonna read that one tonight. We're gonna bag this one. Getting ready for the next tapeworm episode. Definitely gonna bag Slayer, Gwar. Oh, Misfits, Slayer, Gwar. There you go. Let's get the Slayer bag. Damage shit in the corner. Damage shit in the corner. I fucking did not have. Dude, let me tell you. Take in your bags and backboards at the convention is what I always fucking forget. I always forget to do that shit. So there you go. You buy something that's fucking cool, and then next thing you know, it's fucking ruined because you forgot to fucking bring shit. And this, my friends, again, sometimes you pay a little extra money for the fine copy, and you pay a little bit of money, and you get a fucked up copy. That's the value. Just lesson there. I bought two. That's why you buy two, huh? Challenge unknown. All right. You want to do a tapeworm commercial? A commercial ad right now? Nah. I'll do it through here. This is probably like the 4th or 5th time owning this book. I read the piss out of this thing as a kid. I love Fall of the Mutants. There's a Inferno. Fall of the Mutants, Inferno, and this is killer. This made you crazy. Stuff like this made you crazy as a kid. Start pimping beer. Go skateboarding. After reading your X-Men and X-Factor books. That's what it was about. They'd be like, I know this. Well, I didn't do any homework, but I sure know about what happened in the X-Men. I'm going to say that's a nice sell from Robotech. Longshot. This is when Longshot was trying to be kind of one of my favorite characters. And then when that Wolverine and Longshot book came down, what I really liked was that Wolverine and Havoc story. That was cool. Ooh, brother, check it out. 2 ways to win in the ring. Ooh, yeah. At the very end, we're going to see what it say. X-Men and X-Factor confront Mr. Sinister in X-Men 243 and X-Factor 39. Don't say we didn't warn you. There you go.